air flowing smoothly through your RV while protecting your vents with these durable floor registers from RecPro. These are easy to install floor registers designed to cover the vent openings in your RV or trailer. These non-adjustable fixed stationary vent covers help air circulate efficiently through your RV while preventing large debris from falling inside your vent openings. We have multiple sizes available for this product. They're 2 inches by 10 inches, 4 inches by 8 inches, and 4 inches by 10 inches. These USA-made floor registers are available in a lightweight but durable plastic material, or a heavier and more rigid steel with color options of black and beige. To use this product, simply place the floor register in your vent opening. Then fasten to the floor using 2 screws. Screws are not included, so you'll need to supply your own. If you'd like to learn more about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.